Welcome to my channel. Why is my Wi-Fi so slow? Top troubleshooting tips. Step 1. Restart your router. Turn off your Wi-Fi router, wait about 30 seconds, and turn it back on. A simple restart can often fix temporary network issues. Step 2. Check your internet speed. Run a speed test on your phone or computer. This helps you find out if the problem is with the Wi-Fi signal or your internet connection. Step 3. Move closer to the router. If you're far from the router, the signal may become weak. Try using your device closer to the router and see if the speed improves. Step 4. Reduce connected devices. Too many devices using the same Wi-Fi can slow down the network. Disconnect devices that are not currently needed. Step 5. Look for signal blockers. Walls, furniture, and large appliances can weaken Wi-Fi signals. Keep the router in an open area for better coverage. Step 6. Check for background downloads. Large downloads, software updates, or video streaming on other devices can use a lot of bandwidth and slow down Wi-Fi. Step 7. Change the Wi-Fi channel. If nearby networks are using the same channel, interference can occur. Switching to a less crowded channel may improve performance. Step 8. Update router firmware. Router manufacturers release updates to improve performance and security. Check your router settings for available firmware updates. Step 9. Secure your Wi-Fi network. Make sure your Wi-Fi is protected with a strong password. Unauthorized users can reduce your available internet speed. Step 10. Contact your internet provider. If you've tried everything and the connection is still slow, contact your internet service provider to check for outages or line issues. Thanks for watching.